Meaning of dysmorphic.
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 Dysmorphic. Dysmorphic refers to an abnormal or atypical development in the structure of the body, specifically the face and other physical features. This can include unusual shape, size, and symmetry of facial features, as well as abnormalities in other parts of the body. Dysmorphic features can be caused by genetic mutations, environmental factors, or a combination of both. These features may be present at birth or develop over time. Some dysmorphic features can indicate a more serious underlying condition, and it is important to seek medical evaluation if any concerns arise.